Night falls over Paris and the city awakens in lights. Along the gentle flow of the Seine River, an illuminated bridge stands like a glowing gateway between history and romance. Soft reflections shimmer across the water, painting a moving canvas of gold and blue. As boats glide silently beneath the arches, the Parisian night reveals its timeless charm. Every lamp, every shadow, every ripple in the river whispers a story of love, art, and the magic that makes Paris the city of lights. For a moment, let your heart slow down, breathe in the calm, and lose yourself in this peaceful nightscape. Under the glowing bridge and the endless sky, Paris invites you to dream.